after a record closing coming in for the US equities on Friday, it's been slightly, Asian markets rather have been slightly mixed on Monday. Firstly, quickly in terms of the US markets, well, the Dow Jones as well as the S&P 500 index did close at a record all-time high on Friday, extending the recent rallies for a 4-week in a row amid a fresh flurry of strong corporate results to end the first week of the earnings season. In fact, if you look at the China's economic growth, that has surged 18.3% on a YOY basis, with strong retail sales up nearly around 34.2%. This, along with strong US retail sales, leads credence to the overall global recovery. For the week, Dow Jones was up 1.2%, while the S&P gained 1.4% and Nasdaq advanced 1.1%. In fact, Dow rose 0.48% to close at 34,201 on Friday, while the S&P and Nasdaq were up nearly around 0.3% and 0.1% each, respectively. In Europe, the European STOXX ended at a record high on Friday, marking its seventh straight week of gains after we did see a strong US and China economic data did lead to some amount of optimism in terms of the overall global growth recovery. Along with that, we did see upbeat results coming from Germany's Daimler, boosted by Germany's Daimler. In fact, the pan-European STOXX 600 did rise 0.8%, leading regional peers. Germany's DAX gained 1.3% to hit an all-time high, while UK's FTSE 100 and France CAC was up 0.5% and 0.85% each, respectively, closing at over one-year highs. German car and truck maker Daimler rose 2.7% as higher vehicle prices and strong demand in China helped it to post better than expected surge in the quarterly operating profits. In Asia, the shares were slightly mixed on Monday, and US equity futures did dip after stocks ended at an all-time high, with investors focusing on the economic recovery and upcoming earnings. Asia credit markets may get some respite from a rebound in China. Huang Asset Management Company bonds. China's financial regulator said that bad debt manager had ample liquidity, its first official comments since the company delivered a jolt by missing a deadline to report earnings. Nikkei was down 0.4%, while Australian stocks were up 0.24% in trade. Kospi still traded slightly flat.